You picked the right case to protect your iPad. To install your Defender Series case, first take it apart. Start by removing the shield stand. Then remove the slipcover from the shell, working your way around the case. Be careful not to pull from any ports or plugs. Open the shell by releasing all the snap points along the sides and at each corner and at the charge port. Then take the two pieces apart. Place your iPad into the shell back, aligning buttons and features with openings. Place the shell front, bottom edge first, onto the shell back. Start at one corner and work your way around the tablet, securing each snap point. Fit the slip cover around the shell and work it into place along the edges and corners. Now grab your shield stand. Lift on the internal stand and lock it in place. Your tablet sits on the stand at a low angle for typing and a taller angle for landscape and portrait viewing. The shield stand snaps on the back of the case when not in use and covers the front of your iPad with extra screen protection when you're on the go. That's it. Your iPad is now protected.